So, what am I doing this for, people? I've done it a few times now and you've seen it. The ones that haven't seen this before, it is to glue all my dust together, because no glue sticks to dust. So what you do is you put a sealer on and you seal it. You watch. See, my hand's pretty clean. You cannot stick over that shit. It doesn't matter what glue. What I should do too is nail these sheets off a bit better, because I reckon they're pretty ordinary. They've been nailed off. Oh, what? The amount of times that I've seen tilers glue over, stick tilers over the setting compound, over the stopping compound, is you know, over the gibrot stopping compound. The amount of times that I've seen tilers trying to stick tiles onto that is it's laughable. This is all the process, DIYs, for another beautiful bathroom. On Monday I'll be waterproofing all this. Tuesday I'll lay the floor and I'll be into the other bathroom, because this will only take, I don't know, 3.5 hours by the time I do the shower. 3 hours, 3.5, whatever it takes. That's you know, if it takes 2.5 hours to do, well, cool. If it takes 3.5 or 4, so be it. when someone's living in the house, it makes it a bit harder if you're doing the ensuite and bathroom, like you've got to do one at a time, because they need to still use one. But a job like this is the bee's knees, because you don't get any downtime. Alright people, I'll carry on around, but I'll switch off and I'll come back when I'm moving on to something else. This is Chris O. Subscribe to my channel, help it grow. Yo!